TMN Etching Factory. Founded in 2011. ISO 9001:2015 certified, with ISO 14001 and IATF 16949 certification in progress. Factory located in Dongguan, Guangdong, China. Factory area up to 8,000 square meters facility. 100 plus experienced engineers, chemists, and skilled workers. Advanced fully automated photochemical etching production lines. Multiple automatic coating, exposure, developing, cleaning, and etching systems. Maximum sheet size up to 1200 by 2500 millimeters. Material thickness range 0.01 millimeters to 3.0 millimeters. Etching tolerance up to plus or minus 0.03 millimeters. Rapid prototype delivery in as little as 6 hours. Production lead time from 3 to 20 days depending on project requirements. Supports prototype, low volume, and mass production. No tooling or mold costs for most etched parts. Burr-free, stress-free, and heat-free precision manufacturing. Exports to customers in more than 20 countries worldwide. OEM and ODM customization with engineering support from design to production.